This 2007 Winnebago Journey 39K is a Class A RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, TV, slide-out, oven, awning, leveling jacks, smoke detector, TV antenna, air conditioning, water heater. The floor plan layout of this Class A features mid-kitchen. This 2007 Winnebago Journey 39K is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.